Please subscribe to my channel while watching the whole video. You can find the Figma file in the description. Let's begin by selecting the frame and then clicking O for the circle. Copy paste the circles besides each circle and combine all the circles and give them the shape you want. Then again by copy paste the frame and select only the circles, not the frame. Turn it around and repeat. Do it for 4 times. And now select the single frame, make a variant. Select each frame and make variants. Then select each variants and combine them into components. Go to prototype, connect frames and select after delay. Give it 1 ms, change to smart animate and choose easy in and out. With 2000 ms, apply the same to each frames. Now copy paste the first variant and apply it to your main screen. The white color of the frame is showing, so select each frame or variants and see on the right below. Click on the minus sign beside the fill option. Now you can see only the object. Give it your own choice of color. Place it where you want to see, and after selecting your color, select play and tada! It has come out so beautifully and in the fast and simple way. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and support for more content.